Hey guys, welcome to a new video by Blackjack. And in this video, we're going to go through my setup in the office, what I use, what I stream with, and stuff like that. So let's get into the video. Okay guys, this is my main PC. It is an AMD FX 8350, 16 gigabytes of RAM, a 120 gig SSD for the OS, and a 1 terabyte spinning hard drive for the games. And it's also got a GeForce 1050 Ti in it as well. Now I know it's not a very powerful PC, but it's powerful enough for what I do, which is play World of Warships and also do my video editing. And thanks to the video editing software I use, which is Filmora 9, I can do my typical video in about 4 minutes rendering it out, which is just game clips of World of Warships. That's my main PC. Here is my microphone. Now this is a Blue Yeti X. It is probably the best investment I've ever made. It cost about £140, but it is one brilliant microphone, USB microphone. And this arm I got for about £15 from a second-hand shop. I don't know if you can get them brand new. Don't know what it is, nothing. But it's a brilliant microphone boom arm. This is my Fitbit version 2. I use it all the time. It's on charge at the minute. Just a normal set of Logitech speakers. This is my monitor. It's just a bog standard HD 6080 monitor. Nothing special about it. I've got a Stream Deck, obviously, which connects up to my Stream PC. Holder for my phone when I'm streaming, and also an Echo Dot. It's got a Logitech HD 920 webcam. A very basic monitor for my streaming PC. This is the upgrade I want to make next. I want to get a proper HD monitor for my stream PC instead of this little thing. This is just a spare monitor I had at hand at the time. And I've also got here, as you can see, a ring light, which is a USB ring light. It costs about £15 from Amazon, and it is perfect for what I use it for. For the keyboard, sorry, for the mouse first, let's go for the mouse. It's the Razer Blackadder Elite. And my girlfriend got it me for Christmas last year. And I've got to say, it is one fantastic mouse. I really like it. Keyboard, I've had this for almost 6 years now. It is a SteelSeries Apex backlit keyboard. It is not mechanical. I do not like mechanical keyboards. This is the original Apex, and yeah, it's just been such a workhorse for me. You can even see, I think here, if it camera picks it up, even the S is slowly disappearing. Underneath, this is my tablet. It is a Samsung Galaxy Tab A 2019 edition. I just use it mainly for reading the news. Here is my streaming PC / Plex server / file server. I got this second hand. It is, the specs on it is a Core i5-7400 with a NVIDIA GT730, which I put in there because the GT730 has got the NVENC chip on it, so that's why it's in there. Got 16 gigabytes of RAM, a 2 terabyte hard drive for the Plex data, and also a 250 gig M.2 SSD. The mouse which is attached to the streaming PC is my old gaming mouse. It is a MyCap Mark III. I've had this for 6 years, same as the keyboard, and it's still going strong. It's fallen apart slightly, that's why I'm not using it as my main gaming mouse anymore. The keyboard for the stream PC is a piece of crap. It's just something I picked up from Amazon. I just want a backlit keyboard, so there it is. This is an old Dell laptop I keep for nostalgic purposes. This is I think it's a Pentium 3 1 gigahertz with a GeForce 2 Go GPU in it, and it's got about 8 megabytes of RAM and 10 gigabyte hard drive, ID hard drive in it. I'm going to use it just for nostalgic purposes. It's got Windows 98 on it and a couple of old games on it. Now for backup purposes, back to the PC, all my videos get put onto here. This is an external 1 terabyte hard drive. because I only do HD video, this is plenty good enough for at least a year's worth of videos. But that's not the only place I back up all my videos to. It's only one of the places. I back up it up onto 2 different places, because the other place is this thing here. This thing here is a Drobo Gen 3, and it has got a total of 10 terabytes of hard drive space in it. It's got it backs up basically everything. It's got all my photos on there from my DSLR. It's got all the Plex server data on there. It's got all my video backups on there, all my assets on there. It's got absolutely everything on there. Then those are backed up elsewhere as well. And next to it here, this thing is this Synology DS115J. I got this because it automatically backs up my Google Drive, which I also use for my assets, and also backing up the raw files from my DSLR. And it's also backup for my music, because I use Plex Pass for music. So if my Plex server crashes, I can use this to put music onto my phone, because of my condition I need music all the time when I go out. So that's why that's on there. And on top of it, it's just a Amazon Basics 1 terabyte hard drive, which it backs itself up to every night. And that is basically my setup. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'll catch you all in the next one. It's Blackjack, signing off.